Guys, I'm so happy. That's the mash.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to Alfred's channel.
Hi.
Today we're going to
Lerruat Resort.
where's that?
It's in Kajiado County.
Yeah. And it's so far. Guys, I don't know if
Apano?
Kitengela.
Oh, so we're on the right track, eh?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's so far.
We've been driving for almost an hour now, but though we're being told go up. Like we have 68 kilometers to where we're going. Yeah, so it's beautiful anyway because we are discovering new places. This is somewhere I never thought I'd ever reach in my life, like where we are right now.
Yeah, so guys, keep watching and come along this trip with us. Oh, my laptop, we made it. We made it.
In 500 meters, turn right.
Love. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It's my birthday. I'm here with the love of my life. So happy.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, baby.
Nimerealize kuna part fulani utakuwa na drive mchanga ni white. These other parts zenye ukidrive mchanga ni red. Unaona, like this is so beautiful, man. Yeah guys, we're so happy. We're so happy,
I'm
honestly.
so happy. I am very, 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 very happy. Like my heart is full. I'm so contented. I would not wish for anything else. I'm so happy.
All the best, my love.
Thank you.
So guys, we finally arrived at our destination in Kajiado County. So Kajiado is very dry, that you could not expect to see a place so green within this area. So this is Lerruat Log Resort. Another name for Lerruat Log Resort is Mlima. It is called Mlima because it is on top of the hill. And it's called log because the rooms actually are made using logs. So that's the name, Lerruat Log Resort. So welcome guys, I hope you enjoy this.
Guys, this is one of the best days of my life, maybe. So amazing. Here we are at the Lerruat Resort in Kajiado. This place is 1,000 kilometers. Over 1,000. Is it over?
It's so far, Nimbali, by the way.
Once in a lifetime experience, and everything is just amazing. One of the best days of my life. So guys, keep watching. Subscribe, comment, any questions up here. I love you.
We were extremely excited, guys. You can clearly see. So after getting here, we had to go to the reception to check in to our room, and then after that, of course, continue showing you guys around and stuff. So this was the reception area. So we are here to check in, and then we continue showing you this amazing place in Kajiado County.
How are you feeling?
I'm so happy.
Where are you at?
I am in Lerruat Log.
Are you loving it?
Lerruat Log Resort.
Are you loving it?
I'm loving it. It's very nice, very peaceful, very beautiful.
Let me show them. And we're on top of the hill. You're seeing the landmarks down there. There's a road. I can see a truck passing pale, but I can't zoom in. Hamtaiona poa. Yeah, so ini dressing area ama? Lerruat Log Resort in Kajiado County.
Hapa ni wapi?
Nice. So guys, primary kuna semaje? Flabbergasted. I feel so nice, yani. This is amazing. And
yeah, so guys, the first room we just showed you was a standard room, and a standard room at Lerruat Log Resort goes for 10,000 Kenyan shillings. That's bed and breakfast. So here we are now at the deluxe room, which we actually fell in love with instantly and took it immediately. Yeah, so this was our room. We fell in love with it. I actually never felt so intimate with nature. You know, it's like the hills were just there. You could stretch your hands and just touch them. The trees are just here. The sky was like, the clouds were just over our heads, man. And then the weather was just so cool, so awesome. Look at this vicinity. Guys, I was so amazed. I couldn't even say much, man. So here is it, Lerruat Log Resort. Have a look at this amazing place.
oh yeah, inatokea nice side,
Another discovery I made was that Lake Magadi apparently is within Kajiado County. I know Lake Magadi is in Kenya, but I never thought that Lake Magadi could be somewhere in Kajiado.
Huko ndo penye Lake Magadi huko? Huko.
Yeah guys, so this was our room. This is where we settled on, and my little cutie also wanted some shots, so she had to get some. Yeah, so look at the contrast here, man. The trees, the hills, the weather, the sky, you know, like everything is just in harmony. It was so amazing being here. We just loved it. So fulfilled. So later we walked out to continue showing you guys around. So the place that you see there is a restaurant. It's going to be like a club within this space. So it's still being constructed. So let's walk down there and see what this amazing place has to offer. So we're taking you around so that you see, Mazee, how beautiful Kenya is. Who would have thought such places could exist here? So this other place is still under construction. But that is the pool. This is Kajiado County. A mega pool that is 3-in-1. Beautiful. Another spot that I loved was this amazing waterfall within this lovely place, man. It just felt so relaxing. I felt so calm being here, just meditating about life and all the good things that it's offering to us right now. It's just so amazing. Ni wasei place imeweza sana bana. And look at the swingers. There's a chill up on msupa wako. So we want to play archery. Ndo hizi tools tushaletewa. You know how to play? Do you know how to play? Aye. Let's try that.
Let's try.
Yeah. So we were taken through some training before I beat some ass here. Yeah, so this was a lovely Archery who was just coaching us, telling us how to play and stuff. So yeah, watch us guys and see. You can actually just guess who the winner is going to be here.
1, 2, 3, let's see. Kidogo nipate ilikuwa kidogo.
Oh, hizi ni chupa zile. In the washroom. In the washroom. No.
So there are also these lovely gazebos here. All of them have names. So if you want to exclude yourself, just be alone, or maybe with your partner, or maybe with a friend, have a private conversation, you come to these gazebos and discuss as you have a view of the lovely Kajiado County. So guys, let us take you through the night kidogo. This is a lovely garden just next to the restaurant. It's called Olchami Garden. Very private, well lit. I loved it. And thereafter, we now went to the restaurant to have dinner.
This is the pork chops.
Yeah, start up. This is the ribeye.
The ribeye.
With
This is
the pepper sauce.
that's the mash.
Yeah.
He's still. Mash bado ni yake. Mimi nilikuwa roast potatoes. Also, usanisaidia steak knife.
Yes.
Okay.
It was time for us to enjoy this lovely meal. You want to join us? Just kidding. Anyway, guys, that was it. Guys, we really had a nice stay. Yeah, birthday well spent. It's time for us to leave. Hope you enjoyed. Make time to be here.